In this video, I'll show you how to register and apply for Amazon Flex as a driver, step by step, in a simple and clear way. To get started, the first thing you need is the official Amazon Flex app. Open the App Store on your phone, search for Amazon Flex, and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it, and you'll be asked to sign in with an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, you can sign in using your existing email and password. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an Amazon account first before moving forward. After signing in, the app will ask for a few permissions, such as access to your location, camera, phone, and notifications. These are required for deliveries, navigation, and identity verification, so make sure to allow them while using the app. Once that's done, you'll move into the application process. At this stage, Amazon Flex will show you the basic requirements you need to meet. You must be at least the legal driving age, have a valid driver's license, the right to work in your country, a compatible vehicle with enough space for packages, a valid bank account for payments, and the ability to pass a background check. It's important to have your documents ready because you'll be asked to upload them during the process. Next, you'll enter your personal details, including your delivery area or postal code. After that, you'll choose the days and times you're generally available to deliver. This helps Amazon understand when you might want to pick up delivery blocks later. Then you'll be asked to provide your vehicle information, such as the make, model, year, and fuel type. Make sure everything you enter is accurate, because Amazon will verify this information. After this, the app will guide you through identity verification. This usually includes uploading a photo of your ID, taking a selfie, and submitting documents related to your vehicle and insurance. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete each step. In some areas, you may see a message saying there are no delivery spots available at the moment. If that happens, you'll be placed on a waiting list, and Amazon will notify you when spots open up. If spots are available, you'll be able to continue and finish your application. Once everything is submitted, Amazon will review your information, and if approved, you'll be able to start accepting delivery blocks through the app. Before you finish, one quick tip: since you're submitting personal documents and managing earnings through the app, it's smart to keep your data secure. Using a trusted VPN like NordVPN can add an extra layer of privacy, especially if you're applying or managing your account on public or shared networks. There's a link in the description where you can try it risk-free for a great price.